Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning for the all participant in this room. We will try to discuss about the next new probability model, namely Power Rado Institute distribution. We have success discussed about the Rado Institute distribution for the 6 chapters. But now we continue our discussion for the new model, the second model. We call it Power Rado Institute distribution. For this part, we will try to discuss about the density function. Okay, best of the candidate books, I will say these candidate books because this book still in the progress. These books about the old model created by the Rado Institute, like the Rado Institute distribution, Power Rado Institute distribution, inverse power Rado Institute distribution, and the generalized inverse power Rado Institute distribution. Okay, this model, power Rado Institute distribution, based on the theory random transformation random variable. Okay, if the y random variable with the Rado Institute density function, okay, this density function, we have now, this is the Rado Institute distribution. We have success to discuss for the some chapter for the Rado Institute distribution. So if we take the x equal to y power 1 divided alpha, okay, y is a Rado Institute distribution, and we try to the technique of the transformation random variable with the x equal to y power 1 divided alpha, and we can find the inverse of the x equal to x power a, and then we try to find the differential of the inverse of the x equal to alpha x power alpha minus 1. So we are trying to using the techniques of the transformation random variable to create the Power Rado Institute distribution, or we call fx, by the formula fy. We try to change x, we try to change y become the transformation of x. So this ey, this y, we try to change by the inverse. This is inverse x power alpha, and of course we are try to the differential of the multiple by the differential of the inverse of x. So we can find the new probability model we called Power Rado Institute distribution, like this one. Okay, this is a model of the Power Rado Institute distribution. Alpha multiple by theta power k divided by summation I equal to I starting 1 until to k gamma function I multiple by theta power k minus I multiple by summation I starting to 1 until k x power I multiple by alpha minus 1 exponent min theta x power alpha for x greater than 0, alpha theta greater than 0. So this function we call the density function of the Power Rado Institute distribution. It's very easy. Only based on the theory of the techniques transformation random variable, x equal to y power 1 divided alpha, and we use the formula, this one. This is formula how to create the fx by using change the y with the inverse of x, and then multiple by the differential of the inverse of x. So you can find the new model, new probability model, Power Rado Institute distribution model. So we have success. to create the new model. After we are success, of course, we will prove this model is correct or not. Of course, we will try to integrate the Power Rado Institute distribution density function. We try to integrate start. We try to take the integrate the Power Rado Institute distribution starting 0 until to the infinity. So we can run the integrate. Okay, we run the integrate. Okay, this is constant. Okay, so we try to divide the integrate. Okay, we try to divide for the each x power alpha minus something. Okay, okay, like this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, to make easy this is integrate, we will divide into this 3 part. For the first part, we will try to solve this integrate after we are finished integrate this part. Next, we try to solve this part. And then the last one, we try to solve this part. Okay. For example, for the first part, okay, for the first part, we will try to make the integrate x power alpha minus 1 exponent min theta x power alpha dx. Okay, let's u equal to x power alpha. So of course, x equal to u powers 1 divide alpha and dx equal to du, okay, divide alpha u power 1 minus 1 divide alpha. Okay, we are use this is all component and then we try to solve this is integrate. Of course, we must take x by u power 1 divide alpha. Okay, and the x we try to change by this one. So we can find the integrate. Of course, 1 divide alpha, integrate starting 0 until infinity, nu, okay, nu power 1 minus 1 exponent min theta nu du equal to 1 divide alpha. Okay, we know this one is have the related with the density gamma. Okay, this is very related with this density gamma. So we can solve this integrate on the power by using the function gamma 1 divided by theta power 1. Okay, so the integrate for the part 1 equal to gamma function 1 divided by alpha theta. So after we are successful the integrate for the part 1, we come to solve the second part. Okay, we will try to make the integrate 0 until infinity x power 2 multiple alpha minus 1 exponent min theta x power alpha dx. Okay, we still use this component. Now, you still use this component. Let's u equal to x power alpha and x equal to nu power 1 divide alpha and dx equal to d nu divided by alpha nu power 1 minus 1 divide alpha. So we try to solve this integrate with the change x by the nu power 1 divide alpha and this one x divide x power alpha become nu. So we can change this is form. Okay, so we can find we can solve this the part of the integrants with the function gamma 2 power function gamma 2 divide alpha multiple by theta power 2. And for the last part, we will try to dissolve the integrate with the same way with the part 2 and 1. We can solve this integral by the function gamma k divided by alpha theta power k. So after we have success to solve this integrate, okay, we come to this formula again. we change this one by the integrate part 1, this one for the integrate the second part, this is the integrate for the last part. So our integrate, this become this one. Okay, become this one. So very easy to use the simple algebra. You can change this form, become this one. Okay, it's very easy. So after that, we can find the last step to the solve the integrate only by using the summation I equal to 1, starting with 1, not I, 1, okay, this one, until k, function gamma I multiplied by theta power k minus I d5. Summation I starting 1 until k, gamma function I, theta multiplied by theta power k minus I equal to 1. So we have success to solve this is integral. We have success to find this integral with the equal to 1. So it means the power Rado Institute distribution for this one, this is so very, very good, the density function. And then I think this is very good, the density function, because we are can the proof the integrate starting 0 until to infinity equal to 1. So I think this is model, this is density function we can use to solve, or we can use this is become the one's probability model to solve the various data. Okay, I think this is very correct, the density function, because we success to prove the integrate starting 0 until to infinity they equal to 1. So the power Rado Institute distribution is the correct density function. Okay, I think our discussion today about the second new probability model created by the Rado Institute, we have success to discuss for this morning. I think we will try to discuss for the other properties like the distribution function or the cumulative distribution function. What is the survival function? What is the what we call the hazard function? The first moment and second moment. Okay, I say okay. I think this is enough for this time. We will find again on the another chapter. See you, Rado Yendra and Rado Institute.